Hey, what's up guys? This video is, and it just had to start raining harder whenever I started trying to record. Okay then. But anyway, this video is going to be uploaded a bit earlier than I was planning, considering that I'll probably upload it immediately after I finish recording it, so I probably won't edit it any. Usually I do take the time to edit out anything I happen to repeat or any rambling, but this is probably going to be uploaded straight from my phone, so we'll see how this goes. This wasn't the video that I was originally planning to upload this week. I'm almost finished editing the other video. All I have to do is add the voiceover that I recorded a week and a half ago, I think, to the video. Being honest, this video is more of a spur of the moment video. I've spent the day with my family all day today because my mom had a family reunion today, which was great. I had a really great time. It was wonderful getting to see family that I haven't seen in a while. Plus, I also met a few family members that I actually didn't know I had. It has been cloudy for most of the day. It's also rained off and on, which could be because there is a hurricane right now. I've been keeping track of the hurricane all day because, unlike with Hurricane Irma a few weeks ago, this one was actually supposed to go right over where I live. They were saying earlier that it could possibly be a Category 2 by the time it makes landfall. However, I believe that it's still a Category 1, or at least that's what it was last time I checked my weather app. I believe that there is a curfew in effect because of the hurricane, obviously. However, I'm not sure if that goes for the place that I live or not, but I do know that on the news they were warning people to stay in their houses until the worst of the storm is over, or at least I think that's what they were saying. I was reading and was only paying half attention to what they were talking about, but I believe that's what they said. I do, however, know for a fact that my local Walmart was closing at 6 because I have a cousin that works there and she told me. That means that most places, or at least the ones where I live, are going to close earlier so that the employees can get home before the worst of the storm gets here. It sure seems like this hurricane season has been worse than it's been in a long time, which, according to something that I read, it's actually the truth, according to the article I read, which I will put a link to in the description unless I forget. This year has been the worst hurricane season in years. There have been 8 hurricanes so far, which I knew there was a lot, but I didn't know that there had been quite that many. But anyway, that's all I really wanted to talk about, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.